everyone, and welcome to a new YouTube channel for AIIS Capital. At the time I am posting this, it is Friday, August 8th, 2025, and the reason this date is a really good date to start a new channel, this is my 5th YouTube channel. I subscribe to a long list of channels, and I am a big fan of Master Sri Akashna. He is one of my favorite teachers on YouTube. And he talks a lot about spirituality, energy in the universe, and manifestation. So right now we are in this energy space called the 8-8 Lion's Gate portal. And it is the right time to manifest wealth and abundance. I registered with AIIS the Tuesday after Memorial Day weekend, and I just realized this week that this company does not have a YouTube channel. And it just so happens that another person I am a fan of, Steve Siebold, who is an expert in finance, mental toughness, and public speaking, I got a notification on my phone that he posted another video earlier this week on the subject of the importance of social media for speakers. And he says you have to have a presence on social media so that you can be found, because nowadays people Google other people, and so people definitely Google companies. You need a social media presence. And when I try to talk to people about AIIS, the common question is this a scam? So I figured, since I am a YouTuber, I watch YouTube, I enjoy making videos for my other channels. My dream is to make my first feature film. I made a short film last year. I plan on making another short film this year for my other YouTube channel. I thought I might as well find the time to start this channel. I am really grateful to AIIS because this company has put some much needed money in my pocket at a time when I really needed it. So this channel is my way of giving back to a company that has been good to me. What can you expect from this channel? Well, I want to share as much as possible about AIIS Capital, AI trading, and what is going on in the field of AI. So subscribe to this channel so that you get information whenever I upload a video, and click the like button to share this content with other people who want to learn more about AI trading. Okay, AIIS Capital is hiring entrepreneurs and investors. So if you meet a AIIS Capital entrepreneur in your area, ask them how you can get started with this company. Okay, so take care.